Hi guys, Joe from Prepper in the Woods, and today I have a nice little treat. It's from Beaver Bushcraft. It's their new pocket Tinder kit. So let me show you that now. So the pocket Tinder kit has a few options. This one's the 15-pound option. So you can see it is quite a small little mint-sized tin. And what you get is you get some jute that's rolled up. You get an option of picking which type of steel you want. I went for the dragon head there. And then they give you 2 bits of sharp flint there, and then some nice tinder fungus here, and they make the best tinder fungus. I don't know how they do it, and I'm always questioning and asking questions with them, and they've always been really good to reply. But that is such well-made tinder fungus there from hoof fungus, so I don't know, but I'm going to use a bit of cedar here to extend the fire a little bit so you can see it, so it's not just flash tinder, and let's see what we can do. So that's Beaver Bushcraft. I'll put a link in the description box below. They do great stuff. All their tinder is great. If I can't make it myself, I usually get it from them. And it's always going to be the tinder fungus. But again, pocket friendly, great stuff. Can't say anything bad about it. They do, you know, I bought multiple stuff from them, about 3 or 4 steels and a lot of Tinder. But great stuff. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thanks guys for watching. I'll catch you next video. Bye.